Hello everyone, this is Shweta.
My name is Inder and welcome to our
Channel Shweta Vlog. Welcome to our channel.
So there is a trailer of out of Sari Poda Shanivaram trailer. Sari Poda. Remember we have seen the teaser before.
Of Nani, right?
Yes, Sari Poda
yeah,
Shanivaram,
yeah.
and in which we of course have Nani Priyanka.
The natural actor.
Yes, natural star.
Natural star, actually.
Natural. So he is actually very natural
He is
in acting,
actually,
of course.
obviously.
So it's an upcoming Indian Telugu language vigilante action film written and directed by Vivek Atharya and produced by DVV. So vigilante basically kind of what's ना रात को ठीक है जैसे बैटमैन को अपन मारते एरो देखा था
Because अपन ने उनका वो भी देखा था ना एक there was a glimpse where he was mask
but ऐसा बांधना
and all
वो सब
absolutely.
करके of course he's like kind of fighting and everything. So let's watch the trailer. देखते हैं
Okay, let's watch it.
నా సహనం నశించింది, నా కన్నీళ్ళు ఇంకిపోయాయి. అందుకే మనందరి తరపున నా భయాన్ని దాటి ఒక అడుగు ముందుకేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. సార్ సిఏ గారు ఎప్పుడు వస్తారు?
ఒక్కసారి ఆయన చూసేవనుకో
ఏమైంది సార్?
ఇంకెప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు వస్తారని అడగ.
టాయిలెట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయో నన్ను అడుగుతున్నాను చూద్దా మీరు ఓపెన్ చేయి.
ఏం చేశాడని సార్ మరి అలా కుడుతున్నారు?
సూకుల పాలెం అక్కడ పుట్టడమే వీళ్ళు చేసిన తప్పు.
దీనికి సొల్యూషన్ ఏం లేదా సార్?
సొల్యూషన్
నీకు యముడు చిత్రగుప్తుడు గురించి తెలిసే ఉంటుంది. వాళ్ళిద్దరూ స్ప్లిట్ పర్సనాలిటీలా ఒక్కడిలోనే ఉంటే వాడే మా వాడమా. నార్మల్గా నా అనుకునే వాళ్ళకి ఏమైనా జరిగితే మన కోపం వస్తుంది.
నాకు కోపం వచ్చింది.
కానీ మా వాడికి వాడి కోపాన్ని బట్టి
నాకు కోపం వచ్చిందంటే వీడు నావాడు. ఇది నా సమస్య.
ఇన్స్పెక్టర్ దయా అంటే ఎవరు?
వాడు పెద్ద సైకోవాడు బాబాయ్, వాడి గురించి ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు?
ఈ పిచ్చి నా కొడుకు ఆడి పేరు రాసుకున్నాడు రా. ఒక్కసారి ఆ పేరు రౌండ్ చేసుకున్నాడు అంటే వాళ్ళంతా చూడడానికి ఎంత దూరమైనా వెళ్తాడు, ఎలాగైనా వెళ్తాడు.
వాడు కూడా శనివారమే కొడుతున్నాడు
అంటే వాడు ఆదివారం కొట్టరా?
నాకు వాడు కావాలి.
ఇవ్వటరా సూర్య. ఇప్పటిదాకా వాడి రెండు కళ్ళే చూశారు, మూడో కన్ను చూశారు. శివతాండవమే.
ఏదో ఒకటి చేయాలి, ఏదో ఒకటి చేయాలి.
పోతారు, మొత్తం పోతారు.
Wow.
Wow, just a wow.
Different type of vigilante.
Yes.
So he has split
Split
personality.
personality. वो है ना like सुबह कुछ और
ऐसा
रात को
नहीं,
कुछ
ऐसा
और.
नहीं
Then
तो है, लेकिन यूजुअली जब फैमिली पे किसी को तकलीफ तकलीफ
हाँ
होती है,
वो
तो
तो
गुस्सा आता है.
गुस्सा आता है.
इधर इसको गुस्सा आता है तो बंदे को फैमिली बना देता है.
ऐसे ही कुछ है ना.
वही
हाँ
ना, वही था.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
इज माय फैमिली नाउ.
It's my
फिर ये
family
होता है
now,
सबको.
होता है.
और वो देखा मैंने नोट करा और उसके डैड ने लाइक अगर किसी का नाम सर्कल कर ले
And he's dead. He's
He's
just
finished.
gone. That's it.
But nice.
Actually very nice. Yeah.
अगर
अगर हम देखा जाए ना तो थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजें होती है ना where it was a very good, like even that CI, the officer,
he is also psycho.
he is a psycho. He is actually psycho, like you know
What's his
बंदों को मारना and
उसका
all.
जुर्म क्या है? बोलता है वो जगह पे पैदा ना वो जगह पे रहता है इसलिए उसका जुर्म.
हाँ.
So they are basically torching that whole area.
Whole area, yeah.
That's very bad. Like
It's very bad.
the misuse of power and everything, and they're kind of.
Even that lady inspector, she
Yes.
also told na कि if there is any solution, and the
And Surya.
See, we have always seen Nani sir with a different character.
He always comes in different type of movie.
Yes.
Again, different type of
different
movie.
type of thing, like the split personality
And
all.
that to a vigilante with a split
Yeah.
personality.
Absolutely.
And SJ sir is also amazing. Like, he's gonna be a very good villain character.
It will
And
be.
that too
it
psycho
will
type.
be psycho. You know that moment when the camera angle was from upside and was just
Yes.
sitting down and वो lighter से टिक करना है पीछे से नानी सर का थोड़ा दूसरा glimpse
But
दिखा
anyway,
दिया.
he only beats on Saturday.
Saturday, not on
ना,
Sunday. Yeah,
शनिवारी. So अभी बाकी जगह कोई attack कर तो क्या है? Because there was a scene like I think so they found him and they were attacking his house. He was sleeping inside, I
He
think
was
so.
sleeping.
And also there was a scene where everyone was bashing the people there, and he was just standing in the
Standing
center,
and what all things
like
were
it's
going.
happening something. Like he was confused there. They even attacked his family if you see.
Absolutely,
I think that they
absolutely.
even attacked the mom and dad in between, of course.
Because if they were dragging him ना, dad को drag कर रहे थे.
Yes. And the best part is it's a pan-India.
I was not expecting that. I was actually not expecting. It's a pan India. Wow, it will be fun to watch, man.
Yes.
Come on.
So natural star है तो बोलते ना.
Natural star, natural acting, and Nani, the great.
Yes. And that
No,
too it's split,
amazing,
and that too it's
amazing.
split personality. I want to see that how the personality splits and everything. So that's.
I want to
great.
see is that anger thing, you know, वो इतना तो facial जो होता है ना, like, जो होता है ना
And
कि
if you
मार
see, he
दो.
has written a lot of names in the book. So who all have him like thrashed, killed or whatever.
I think your dad was always asking, who is this guy? Yeah, वो पता करना कि
Yes.
कौन है और
No,
फिर dad
because
को
the thing
पता
is,
चला.
the dad was inquiring like, who is this and CI.
CI,
Like, he's
yeah.
psycho man. He just circled his name, so it's gone now. But it's not
So-
gonna be easy, of course.
It will be not because एक तरफ वो सबको लेके आएगा and he will be the only alone.
Yes.
Like if you see the last of the trailer, he was the alone. But
Okay,
we'll
so
see.
we have to wait, to release of Saripoda Shanivar.
Do you know that? Cool. We'll watch it.
So
We'll watch
guys,
it.
do like,
Subscribe,
share,
comment.
and the bell icon.